What are those? Wait for it. It's snowing like a mug out here, y'all. I was supposed to go to work today, but as you can see, we're snowed out. Oh, I just got a good idea. Oh, I just got a good idea. I just got a good idea. Oh, I'll be back. I got a good idea. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes you have a great idea and it just has to be done. Just has to be done. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go. Last but not least, the final piece. The final piece. Here it is, baby. Here it is. Oh wait, go this way. Let's see if we can get it in there without tearing them up. Oh! Not the biggest nose, but check them out, y'all. Came out pretty dope. Slow it down, slow-mo of the snowman right now. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the making of the professional fisherman snowman. I couldn't go fishing today for obvious reasons. I live in Alabama, we don't have salt trucks. Our city is not prepared for snow, you know what I mean? So when it snows, we're pretty much screwed. So I didn't get to go to work today, so I figured, hey, why not make a fishing snowman? Boom, and that's what I did. I'm gonna holler at you guys on the next video. 500 subscriber giveaway still going down. Make sure you guys keep in touch. Like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up for your boy, you know what I mean? Show your boy some love. And if you don't like the channel, keep it to yourself. I got things I gotta do, baby. Peace out.